share this, share that. We can share everything. We can share screen. Choose, window, tab, or entire screen. Alright. Next, what we have here is whiteboard. Whiteboard is not a fully featured painting program or something. It's just, scratchpad if you want to quickly express something. Draw some boxes and arrows or something like that. Show your friends what you mean. Maybe leave a message. I don't know. It's got some basic functionality that is useful. Then with image, just, choose any image and it drops current position. You can resize it and place it where you want it. Also, you can share any file. It pops again in front of you, and whoever clicks on it downloads it automatically. You can also share 3D model, GLB only. Again, it pops right in front of you. You can't really manipulate here. You need World Editor for that. But there is a different video dedicated to World Editor. So, what do other people see while you're sharing? Positions are private of both whiteboard and screen share. You can put them where you like them without getting in the way of anybody else. State of the whiteboard is not saved. It's only shared from the moment you are in. Files you have shared only exist for as long as you are online. Everybody can take them. Size and position of the image, however, are shared, and only the owner of the image can change it. This allows you, for instance, to decorate your virtual living room. And then there's emojis. Plenty of emojis. You can preview how it looks like when you express yourself. You can also preview how it looks like when your avatar expresses yourself. That's all, folks. Have fun.